Hello student, today we are going to discuss May June 2017 to 1 word processing part. So as usual, I made a duplicate copy of that data file, and this is your question paper. Let me make it big. Okay, so today I told you that I'm going to discuss the word processing part. Please check this one properly. You work for a company called Tawara Summer School. You are going to perform some clerical task for the company. Task 1, evidence document. Open the file j217evidence.rtf. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of the evidence document. That means you can give it in header also, in footer also. Save this word processing document in your work area. With the file name j217 evidence followed by your candidate number, for example this one. Okay, so this is a common thing when they will discuss about evidence documents. So first you have to open the evidence document. Let me open the evidence document. Where is my evidence? This is my evidence documents. And after opening the evidence document, what you have to do, you have to give header and footer. A header basically, they did not mention that whether you have to give, so it's better to give in header. So insert header option, choose the second option, write down your name. So I'm writing my name, then your center number. If you're from boys side, then you have to write down SA139. If you're from girls side, SX139. Candidate number, I'm giving some random numbers, so double click inside. After that you have to save it as a Word document file. Save as. In the same folder you're going to save, that is 21, and your file name will be j217 evidence and your candidate number. So I gave one candidate number 1234 and it should be Word document. Now save. Done. Now next part of this question, we are going to edit an information sheet for Tawara Summer School. The company uses corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style should be created and applied as instructed. Okay, using a suitable suitable software package, open the file j217brochures.rtf. Do not change the paper size, orientation and margin. Normally every question paper they ask you to change paper size, orientation, margin, but here they did not ask for that one, and you have to save this file as a TSS leaflet, and it should be Word document. Okay, so evidence 1, take your place in your evidence document screenshot, show how the file has been saved. So in this case, so what you have to do, first you have to open brochure.rtf. so from the copy file brochure, let me open brochure.rtf, this one. So your file is open, enable editing. So what they're asking to do, first, do not change any paper size. Okay, save the document in your work area, whether it is just you have to save it as a TSS leaflet. Save as, it should be Word document, and file name should be TSS leaflet. You can check one thing, everything given in capital format, the file name. Okay, so it should be like that according to the question paper, and it is Word document. Save. Now according to the question paper, what you have to do, place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence of the file type. So you have to open your folder, this is your folder, and file type should be there. Suppose sometimes this file type is not visible, in that case you have to right click over the name field, and then you have to select type. Okay, and see all the file type format is given. Now we have to click leaflet because it should be Word document. Okay, and sometimes you will see one more thing also, like it is showing half of the file format, so it should not be, it should be visible properly, and you have to block the file which one examiner wants to see, leaflet. Then you have to take the screenshot, and what they're asking, let me check the question. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure there is an evidence of the file type. So okay, so that means they're asking for the file type. Print screen button or snipping tool, you can use any one. And after this one, step 1, you have to take the screenshot. So whole thing is not needed, you can crop it, crop this part, you can keep it like this way. Just make sure name and type is visible. You can make it big so it should be visible properly, otherwise examiner will cut your mark. Okay, next part of this question, what they're asking, place in the header of the file TSS leaflet your name, center number, candidate number in the left align, automated page number in the right align. So in that case, what you'll do, click on header, insert header, second option, your name, center number you should give comma, SA139, candidate number, comma, 1 2 3 4, don't forget to give comma. Middle align they did not ask, in the right align automated page number. For this one you have to select this one, then go to insert menu, don't select this option, you will face problem if you select this option, page number. So you have to go to quick part, field, then select any option from left side, select P one time, then page option will come, just select this 1 2 3. Okay, now automated page number will come automatically. Now this one 1, this is 2, page number 2, done. Now next one, place in the footer the automated file name and path in the right align. So again click on insert menu, footer, select the second option, left align and center align they did not ask anything, so I will wrap this one, and automated file name and file path. So for this one you have to go to insert menu again, quick part, field, select any value from here, select F2 time, F1 time, then file name will come, just you have to click here, add path to file name, and after that place OK. Now you will see path means location, the file is going to save in which place, that one, and the file name also. So it is showing docx docs because we save it as a Word document, right? Done. Now next part of this question, make sure that all the alignment matches the page margin. Yes, nothing is going other way, all the alignment in the page margin, no other text and placeholder are included in the header and footer area. So that means nothing is added except their question, what they are asking, nothing is added. Even we deleted some text thing, right? Left align and middle align in the footer part. Header and footer are displayed on all page. Yes, definitely it is displaying in all page. If we check, this is the footer part and this is the header part. If I go for the second page, this is the header part and this is the footer part. Okay, so everything is visible. Now next part of this question, create the following paragraph style. Now you have to create the style, TSS title, serif. So let me create this style. Normally computer in home menu you'll see some by default style is given. They're not asking this type of style, they're asking a new style. They're asking a new style. For that, let me make the new style. Okay boys, sorry for interrupt. Let me check the question. Okay, question number 3, created the following paragraph style. So in Microsoft Word I told you that they have some by default style. In home menu you see some by default style, but they are asking to create new style. So in that case what you have to do, you have to click here, check this one, and then you have to select save selection as a new quick style. Okay, after that what you have to do, here you have to write TSS hyphen style. So style name is TSS hyphen TSS hyphen what, title, sorry, TSS hyphen title. So if you check the question paper, that style name is given, first 3 alphabet is capital, that is this, and hyphen, title is small letter. So you have to write in that way, then you have to click modify. Now is it style based on normal, it's okay. Now according to the question paper you have to change the style. Serif means Times New Roman with extra line, so you have to mention here Times New Roman. Done. Now what will be the font size? 24 point, center align, bold, all caps. 24 point, it should be center aligned, then bold all caps, it should be bold. For all capital you have to go to font, then you have to click all caps. Okay, after that what they're asking, line spacing will be single, space before 0 and after 11 point. So single line spacing, so go to format, paragraph, single line spacing, it should be 0 line spacing, single line spacing is given, 0 is before and after is 11 point. Okay, now check, is it 11 point? Yes, then press OK and then OK. So your first style is done. So TSS title. Now before creating one style, you just keep one thing in your mind, keep your cursor pointer at the beginning, then you will not you will not be confused. Okay, because if the cursor point in the middle, you will see the middle part also changing, so it should be in the beginning of the document. And now you need to create next style. What is the next style name? TSS subtitle. So you have to click here, save selection, same process. So TSS hyphen subtitle. Please check the spelling, the S is capital or not. No, S is small letters, is correct. So CSS subtitle, modify. Now here you will see that style based on written TSS title, that means previous style will come here. So in that case what you have to do, you have to make it, click it normal, select normal, then it will be in default format. Now next one, serif 16 point. Serif means Times New Roman, it should be Times New Roman, it should be 16 point, it should be 16 point, then right align italic, so it should be right align italic, then single 00, check format, paragraph, it is single 00, done. Okay, okay, so subtitle also done. Now we have to go for the next style, select here, save selection, you have to create a next style. What is the next style name? TSS subhead. So you will write down TSS hyphen subhead and it should be modify, and here you have to select normal as usual, otherwise previous style will come. Next one, subhead serif 14 point, so it should be serif, that means Times New Roman, it should be 14 point, then center italic underline, center align italic underline, next single 011, so it should be format, paragraph, single 0, it should be 11, after will be 11, single line spacing. Okay, okay, done. So we did TSS subhead also. Now TSS body, so same process, click here, save selection, write down TSS hyphen body body and modify, you have to select normal. Now next one, sans serif, that means Arial, correct, it should be 11 point, justified, 11 point is correct. For justify you have to go to paragraph and click here, alignment, justified. Okay, now next one, justified none, single 011, so this one should be none, single 011, then paragraph 011, you have to write down 11 after. Okay, okay, now this was also single 011. TSS table, sans serif 11 point, left align, so go for that one, TSS table, so save selection, TSS hyphen table, modify, it should be sans serif, sans serif means alien, 11 point, left align, alignment should be left, alignment should be left, none, single 00, so format, paragraph, single line spacing. Okay, so before that what you have to do, you have to select normal, Arial 11 point, left align, none, so it should be left aligned. This one is none, correct, and this one is single 00. So go to format, paragraph, single 00, done. Perfect. TSS table. Okay, now we did all the style. Now next one, place in your evidence document screenshot show all the setting for the TSS subhead. Now TSS subhead, what are the setting we did? This is italic, underline, and this one also. So two screenshot you have to take. So TSS subhead, you right click here, modify. This is one screenshot, subhead, modify. This is one screenshot, another one is paragraph one. So both should be together. Print screen button, then press OK, press OK and OK. Then you have to go to evidence document. Otherwise you can go to the evidence document until you close that screen. Okay, now select this one, select this figure, format, crop it. Make it a little bit big. Okay, evidence 2 done. Now next one, apply TSS title style to the title Tawara Summer School at the start of the document. So what you have to do, so block this one, TSS title. Okay, after that one done. After that one, what they're asking, below the title, add the subtitle, this one, produced by. So after this one you have to press enter, write down produced by and write your name. They're asking for write your name, add your name. So write your name, and then what they're asking, apply TSS subtitle. So block this one, CSS subtitle, TSS subtitle. So where is that TSS subtitle? This one, done. Now next one, apply TSS body style to the rest of the document. Now we have to be very careful for this one because you have to apply multiple time. Every time you will face this type of problem, like if you apply one time, everything will not change. TSS body, before applying this one, you check what you did in TSS body. So sans serif, that means without line, font will be without line and 11 point and justified. So everything except title and subtitle, everything you have to select, and then you have to select TSS body. Okay, now check, everything is not changing, so it should be 11 point sans serif font. So this is okay, 11 point, this is 11 point sans serif, that means Arial. This is also, this is not, this is also sans serif Calibri, no problem. You can mention also, like block this one also, TSS body. Now it will be 11 point Arial font, Arial font. Now this one 11 point, this is also 11 point, this one is different, so it is Times New Roman. So block this one, TSS body. This one is okay, okay, okay. This one also okay, this one also okay. Now you have to block this part also, then TSS body. This one is okay, this one is okay. You have to apply this one, TSS body. Then this thing is okay, this one is okay, okay. This part you have to block and apply TSS body. So you have to do it very perfectly. So check. Now next one, change the page layout so that the subheading international community and all the following text is displayed in two column or equal with a 1 centimeter spacing. So 1 centimeter spacing between them. So what you have to do, after this one you have to select everything from here, and then you have to select what you have to select, space 1 centimeter space between them identified. Okay, so that means you have to make it two column. Go to page layout, column, more column, it should be 2, and spacing should be 1 centimeter, and then press OK. Done. Next part, identify 8 subheading in the document and apply the thesis subhead style to each one. Identify 8 subheading to the document. 8 subheading we have to identify. We have to mention this one by pressing Ctrl button. You select all the subheading. 2, 3. You have to keep your finger over Ctrl button. Then you can select 4, 5. All the subheading perfectly. 6, 7, and this is 8. Then go to home, apply TSS subhead. Okay, now subtitle. 8 subheading, TSS subhead style to each of them. TSS subhead, sorry. Subhead. Okay, done. Now next part of this question. So let me check whether 8 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Okay, now next one. Insert the row after the history in the table and enter the following details into the row. So after the history you have to add these details. Okay, so but if you check your table, it is in 2 column and it's very difficult to understand or input the data. So what will be the easiest way? What you do, you block whole table and make all the like line visible, borders, all borders. Then you can easily, after history, you need to create one row, right? Right click, insert, row below. Now here you have to type this value, literature you have to type. So pound symbol, what is that? Pound 1120. So you go to insert, symbol, this is pound 1120. Same process, symbol, pound, and this is 705. After that, what you have to do, yeah, done. Now format the first row of the table to be bold, italic. First row of the table to be bold and italic. Center align over the 3 column. Shade with the light gray background. Okay, bold and italic, center align over the 3 columns. So block whole thing, right click, Marcel. This is center align, then bold and italic. It should be bold and italic, center align over the 3 columns. So you need to merge it over the 3 columns, shaded with the light gray background 20 to 40%. So right click over this one, then border and shading, then shading 20 to 40%. So you can make anything between 20 to 40. Suppose 30% I want to make. Okay, done. Now next, what you have to do, make sure that the table fit with the column width. The TSS table style to apply to row 2 to 8. Okay, so it is fit with the column width. So what you have to do, it is not fitting with the column width. So you block whole thing again, just make it, sorry, make it big up to the column width like this. Then what they're asking to do after that, apply TSS table style to the the TSS table style is applied to row 2 to 8. So you have to block separately row 2 to 8 like this, and TSS table, this one, done. Next one, what they're asking, all text column 1 display on one line. All text in column 1 display in one line. Okay, all text in column 1 display one line. So this thing should be in one line, not in two lines. So in that case, what you can do, you can make it small. 1 week, 2 week. Now it's 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 week. Okay, everything in one line. Check. First column value is under one line. Now next one, what you have to do, all internal and external grid line displayed when printed. So it is already displayed. I made that one. So they're asking for internal and external grid line. Okay, using the data in the file j217 nationalities.csv, create a vertical bar chart to show the number of students from each country for this year 2016 only. You have to make a vertical bar chart with the value of 2016. So in that case, what you will do, you will create a vertical bar chart using nationalities. You have to open this one and you have to select the value of this country and 2016, insert column 2D. So your bar chart is done. Now next, what they are asking to do, let me check the question. Okay, label the chart with the title student nationalities. Okay, now here in this Excel file, where is my Excel file? Where it is? This one. This title should be this one, student nationalities. Now next one, what they're asking, label the category access with the title country, do not display the legend. So display legend should not be there, and access title the country, this one under this country name it should be country. So go to layout, access title, vertical or horizontal below access. So you have to write down country. Done. Now next one, do not display the legend. So format the value axis scale to display maximum value of 1200, internal so increment of 300. So how to do this one, interesting part. So block this value, right click here, format axis. So maximum fixed, it should be 1200. If you keep your figure here, dialog box here, then if you make 1200, then a measure unit, if you select measure unit, you see the maximum value is 1200. Measure unit means the increment should be 300. Okay, now press C, 0 to 300, 3 to 600, 600 to 900, 1200. Done. Now next part of this question, check what they're asking. Insert the chart, the paragraph ending student came from 2016. So you have to find out this line. It's very easy to find out. Just go to document, your main document, Control F, and write down this word, and you will get this word, student came for 2016. So what you have to do after this line, insert this chart. So you have to go to Excel part, close this part, Excel part, and select this thing, Control C, copy it, go to your main document, and here you have to paste it, Control V. Done. Now next one, import the image j217 test.jpg, place the below the subheading language requirements. So go to language requirements, where it is language requirements. After this one, you have to insert the picture. So click on insert picture, desktop, then to one, here this picture they're talking about. Okay, after that what they're asking, place this below the shading language. Okay, reflect the image so that looks like look like this. So this paper will be right side. So select this picture, go to format and rotate by horizontal part, flip horizontal, select flip horizontal, then it will be look like this. Okay. resize the image so that it is 4 centimeter wide, its aspect ratio is maintained. So right click picture, right click over the picture, format picture, for then not form, right click, size and position, then 4 centimeter, it should be 4 centimeter. What is 4 centimeter? Width should be 4 centimeter, right? So in this case width is 4 centimeter, and make sure that lock aspect ratio is selected. Now make it 4 first, so change it to 4 and then press OK. Now it will be small. Now check after that what they're asking. Align the image to the top paragraph starting all summer school teaching, left of this column. So it should be left side, so go to home, alignment should be left aligned. Now next, make sure that the text wrap around the image and it look like this. So it is a subheading, and this is the image, and after this image one line will start. So wrap text, click on wrap text, tight or square, anything you can give. I am giving tight, but according to the question paper, from this image of first border or first image will start from, the line will start from the image part, starting part of the image. So what you will do, it is not like that, so you will make it little bit down by dragging, and you will see some space is created before this one. So you will keep your cursor point over there and press backspace. Now it is correct. Now next one, spell check and proofread the document. So spell check for this, everything is done. Yeah, done. 20, question number 20. Spell check. For spell check you have to go to review and spelling and grammar. Tawara, ignore all because this is a name, it cannot be wrong. This is a cannot be wrong. Ignore once. Ignore one. Okay, ignore once. Done. Now next, what you have to do, the table is not split over the columns. No, it is not like that. That means it should not be in, table should not be in two columns. So our table is under one column only, right? This one. Perfect. Okay, there is no window in front. That means our like last line is not belongs to the next page. Even the subheading is not, after subheading nothing is there like that. It is not like that. After subheading something should be there, at least 3 or 4 line, then it is okay. Okay, done. Perfect. Now next one, there is no blank page. There is no blank page after this one. The house style specification has been followed and correct style applied. Instructed is done. Image and graph are placed within the column with, yes, correct. Specific between all item is consistent. Okay, done. Save the document using the same file name and format this in step 1. Okay, print the document. Now just you have to print it. That's all. If you have any question related to this question paper, based on the word person, you can ask me in your class. Thank you for watching. Hope you will ask question in the class time.